you apply, your tuition fee will be paid because it is written that university will cover the tuition fee for the selected student, and also the residence will be provided for the student, which is accommodation. There is going to be stipends that will be given to students, and the travel costs will also be covered. Note that they are going to be offering you the health insurance and book allowance as well, so you don't want to miss out on this. This is what we are going to be talking about in this video: how you can apply to this fully funded offer and what are the necessary information you need to know. I make some video like some days back, and I was showing you how you can apply to a school and get a fully funded option. This particular video right here, which is like 1 month ago, and just few numbers of people actually watched that video and implement. I know what some of you were saying about that video, and trust me, some of you apply and some of you did not eventually apply, right? Okay, so one of my viewer actually sent me this, and he told me this is what the school sent to him, and as you can see here, he was given 22,000 worth of scholarship, right? So one thing I want you to do in today's video is to make sure you stick around so that I guide you on necessary information you need to know about the scholarship that we are talking about today. Note, this is a very good one for you if you are planning to migrate to Canada and without spending a lot of money. Okay, but I will be guiding you through every information. But before we look at how you can easily apply, I want us to look at some of the programs and feeds that this school have programs okay. They have program for agribusiness and agricultural economy, animal science, chemistry, computer science, mathematics, biosystem engineering. I want you to also know that they have program for both undergraduate and graduate, and also the doctoral program as well. Okay, they also have the entomology, food and human nutrition science, plant science, soil science, school of agriculture, architecture, city planning, interior classes, economics, English, theater, history, Icelandic, linguistic, native studies, psychology, religion. This, they have a lot of feeds that you can actually look at. Okay, so if you must apply, all applicants with any nationality are eligible to apply for the Manitoba scholarship. Okay, to apply for bachelor degree, you must have your high school certificate. For master degree, you must hold an undergraduate. So these are not something that you are not familiar with. You just want to make sure that you are providing the right document while you are applying for your program. Okay, and if you must apply for your PhD program, then you need to get your undergraduate and your master certification ready. Okay, if you are not from a country where language of instruction is English, then you should be getting ready to provide your English language proficiency. Okay, so these are the major information that you need to know about this fully funded scholarship, right? And if you also come here it says the deadline for this scholarship is actually 1st of December. Okay, so this is not the deadline you should follow. I'm going to show you the deadline you should follow right now. Okay, if you come to this section, said all academic field and major are available at the university to study in bachelor or postgraduate degree program. For most of the scholarship, you don't need to apply separately. Applicant automatically can be considered, so you don't need to apply separately if you must get this scholarship, right? Make sure you come to this website and also come and do justice. I've dropped the official link at the description of this video. Okay, but before you jump off and click on the link, please pay attention as I walk you through every other information you need to know about this fully funded scholarship, right? Here it says all international students and citizens of Canada are eligible to apply for scholarship at the University of Manitoba. Most talented students, those who want to undertake any of these programs that we've mentioned, are encouraged to do so. Okay, and if you must apply, you must make sure that you meet up with the deadline that is stated on the website. Though it is written that the 1st of December is the deadline, there are different scholarships that you can apply to. Okay, and I think the last one is the one that have 1st of December as period of applying. Okay, so if you are going to, here it says the last day to apply for the University of Manitoba scholarship for international students in Canada is different from every scholarship. Details is given below. So here, if you are going for the Premier Healthy Living Scholarship for youth, then the deadline is 1st of August. You don't have to apply separately. What this actually means is that you have to apply to a program quickly. So that is what you need to do before you apply for this scholarship. You don't need to apply. Okay, so if you are getting me correctly, I know what I'm saying. If you must apply to this scholarship, you don't need to apply. What you need to do is to go and apply for a program, and you will be automatically considered for this scholarship. And these are also the different list of scholarship that are actually available. So if the school is going to be awarding this one to you, this Premier Healthy Living Scholarship for youth, then you must submit your application to the school before the 1st of August. Okay, and this as per foundation entrance bursary, okay, you must submit an application to the school before 31st of August. And this one, which is the last one, is the one that have the deadline of 1st of December. So you must make sure you submit your application before the deadline. So if you've not followed me on Facebook, please make sure you do that and click on this button to follow me on Facebook. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, make sure to click on this link right here. If you want to follow me on Instagram and any of the social media platform, please do well to click on any of these buttons to follow me, right? Okay, now here it says there is an online application system where you can apply for a program in the University of Manitoba, and there is no need to apply separately to apply for scholarship. That is what I was telling you at the in between this video, that if you must apply to this scholarship, you don't need to apply. I know what I'm not making mistakes, so you might be thinking maybe is I'm making mistake. No, if you must apply for this scholarship, you don't need to apply. What you just need is you need to get admission in this university. Once you get admission in this university, you will be considered for any of those scholarship for free. Okay, which means you don't need to file any additional application for the scholarship, right? When I talk about the University of Toronto scholarship, I got a lot of messages from people still saying, do I need to apply for the scholarship separately? You don't actually need to apply for any of these scholarships separately. Once you apply to a program, I'm talking about the University of Toronto now, you need to just notify them that you need the nomination for those scholarships so that you can be part of the scholarship, right? Okay, now let's go to, if you scroll down to the last part of this page, you are going to see this official link here. Then when you click on that official link, it's going to bring you to this University of Manitoba. Okay, so this is their own official admission page, and if you look at it here, it says admission. If you see academics and all of those ones, so this is the official website of the school. And if you scroll down, you are going to see different options that is available on this school portal. Okay, here it says create your own unique pathway to exploration and learning. These are available undergraduate study. If you click on this, you are going to it's going to take you to the undergraduate study page. If you also click on this, it takes you to the graduate study program page, and also they have like extended education as well. Okay, so if you want to do anything on this page, what you can actually do is this digital view book, program list, how to apply, admission requirement, tuition fee, attend an online information session. I always tell you that if you want to waive any admission application fee in any school, or you want to try to get reduction in any payments that you need to make in any school, one thing you should look out for is an open session. Okay, it's an open session or an open event that is coming up by the university or colleges. Okay, so here now they have an open event or open information section that is coming up. So if you must apply to this school, I will advise that you attend their online information section. Okay, so on this information section you can also make more inquiry about the possible uh, opportunity for you to explore with the scholarship. Okay, that okay, I want to waive some money, or I need to waive application fee, I need to get assistance, I want to apply for my application, how do you support me, all of those things. So if you are looking into any schools, these are possible ways that you can fast track your processes. Okay, now if we click on this one here, it says how to apply. When you click on how to apply, to bring it to this page, and on this page you can read more information, review requirement and prepare your application. Okay, yeah, depending on your background and program of study, you may need to provide transcript, proof of language proficiency, personal statement, portfolio and references contact. Okay, so it depends on the program that you are applying for, that will determine what you need to submit and what you don't need to submit. Then if you scroll down here, you are going to see this button. So when you click on this button, you can easily start your application. If you look at this section, you are going to be seeing that we are on the undergraduate program page. So if you go back to that first page, here it says undergraduate, and in front of the undergraduate is where I click on how to apply. So if you are applying for graduate program, you want to make sure you are clicking on this correct one right here. Okay, so don't do mistake, so that maybe you are planning to apply for master program and you eventually go and submit application for undergraduate program. So here it says start your online application and education history. You might need to provide all of those ones. Okay, so that is the major information I have for you in this video, and I hope this is helpful. Let me know the country where you are watching from. Let me know if you have any question regarding this. Let me know if you have any contribution regarding this. All of those ones you can drop them at the comment box. Okay, so if you come to this page, you are going to see the official link that you can use to go to the University of Manitoba website. Okay, so make sure you do justice to the website yourself, because there are some other information that I might personally skip, and you can also drop them at the comment box so that other people can benefit from such information. I hope this meets you well at this time, and I'm going to catch up with you in another one. If you are a new viewer on this channel, please make sure to click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified when I have a new video on this channel. And if you are returning viewers, please make sure you click on that like button. If you are a new viewer, click on that like button so that other people that are looking for this information can easily find it. Okay, till then, I'm going to catch up with you in another one. Peace.